If you want to create unlimited AI videos like this completely free using Seedance, keep watching this video from start to finish. Now, let's switch to the mobile screen.
First, we need to create an account. We click Sign In. There are two ways to create an account here. If you want to create it with email, you can do it manually, or you can do it directly with Google. I am doing it with Google. Okay, as you can see, our account has been created. If you look down, you can see it says Type to Create. And as you can see here, if you want, you can create an image. Just enter the script here and the image will be created. We will create a live video, so we are clicking on the video option. Now you click on Google option. There are total 3 models of video making in Google: Kling AI and Seedance. Today we will use the Seedance AI platform for free. Now we are going to give our animation script here to create the video, and here we need to use a reference image. I uploaded a photo by clicking on the Select Photo option. Then, if we scroll down a little bit, we can see the reference video option, which I'm leaving blank here. Click on the Additional Settings option, and here you can see that you have to select how many seconds you want to make the video. I am setting it to 6 seconds here, that is the maximum. Now we need to select the size of the video to be created. If you want to create a short video, you can do so here, 9:16. Select this. I will make a long video, so here I am selecting 16.9. Now that there is a plus sign on the slider, drag it to the right and the video will start to be created. Videos are being made for free. Our video is ready, now I'm showing it by replying. Okay, we're taking another animation script from ChatGPT. We'll create a video with the animation script without using any images. Slide to generate. You can see that the video has started to be created. So start making unlimited videos like this and subscribe to the channel. To download, go to the Google Play Store and search Tinker AI, download and enjoy unlimited videos.